The Kuwait Stock Exchange, now known as Bursa Kuwait, is more than just a marketplace. It is a cornerstone of the nation's economy. It stands as one of the oldest and most respected financial institutions in the entire Middle East. Its story began long ago, officially established in 1977, but its roots go even deeper, back to the informal trading of the 1950s. This long history has built a powerful reputation. It is a reputation built on stability, growth, and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Investors, both local and international, look at Bursa Kuwait and see a symbol of financial strength in the Gulf region. It has weathered global storms and regional shifts, always emerging stronger and more resilient than before. This isn't just about age, it's about a track record of performance. For decades, the exchange has been the primary engine for capital formation in Kuwait. It has allowed family-owned businesses to grow into national champions. It has provided a platform for citizens to invest in their country's future. This journey has been one of constant evolution and improvement. The exchange has never been content to stand still. It has embraced change, adopting new technologies and modernizing its operations to meet global standards. This commitment to progress is precisely why it continues to command respect. It is a mature, sophisticated market that has earned its place on the world stage through decades of hard work and dedication. The exchange's reputation is also built on the quality of the companies listed on its boards. These are not speculative ventures. They are the giants of the Kuwaiti economy. We're talking about major banks, leading telecommunication firms, and industrial powerhouses. These companies have solid foundations, strong balance sheets, and a history of delivering value to their shareholders. When you invest in Bursa Kuwait, you are buying a piece of the country's most successful enterprises. This provides a level of inherent security that is highly attractive. Investors know they are not just betting on a stock ticker, they are investing in the very fabric of Kuwait's prosperous economy, a tangible and reliable asset. So, what does this all mean for the average person? It means trust. It means that when you put your money into this market, you are part of a system that has been tried and tested for generations. The legacy of the Kuwait Stock Exchange is one of building wealth, not just for the elite, but for a broad base of the population. It has fostered a culture of saving and investment that has strengthened the financial well-being of countless Kuwaiti families. This deep-seated trust is the exchange's most valuable asset. It is the invisible force that underpins its continued success and makes it a beacon of stability in an often volatile world. This is not just a market, it's a national institution. A market is only as strong as its rules. In Kuwait, the rules are ironclad. The Capital Markets Authority, the country's financial regulator, is the vigilant guardian of the exchange. Its mission is simple: to protect investors and ensure the market is fair for everyone. The CMA enforces a strict set of regulations that govern every aspect of trading. These rules cover everything from how companies must report their financial results to how brokers must treat their clients. There is no room for ambiguity. This robust regulatory framework is the bedrock upon which investor confidence is built. It sends a clear message to the world. Kuwait is serious about maintaining a transparent and orderly market. One of the key pillars of this security is the principle of transparency. All listed companies are required to disclose important information to the public in a timely manner. This means no secret deals or hidden problems. If a company wins a major contract or faces a significant challenge, it must inform its shareholders immediately. This level of openness ensures a level playing field. It allows investors to make informed decisions based on facts, not rumors. This is a fundamental difference that sets Bursa Kuwait apart. It replaces uncertainty with clarity, which is exactly what investors, especially those from overseas, are looking for. They need to know the information they receive is accurate and reliable. Furthermore, the exchange has implemented world-class trading and settlement systems. Think of it like a secure digital vault. When you buy or sell shares, the process is fast, efficient, and most importantly, secure. The T+3 settlement cycle, for instance, ensures that trades are finalized and assets are transferred within 3 business days. This system minimizes risk and prevents delays. For large institutional investors moving millions of dollars, this operational efficiency is not just a convenience, it is a necessity. It guarantees that their transactions will be completed smoothly and without any hitches, protecting their capital and ensuring the integrity of every single trade that takes place. Finally, the rules are not just written down in a book, they are actively enforced. The CMA has the power to investigate any suspicious activity and penalize those who break the rules. This includes hefty fines and even suspension from trading. This proactive enforcement acts as a powerful deterrent against market manipulation and insider trading. Investors can be confident that there is a watchdog looking out for their interests. This commitment to justice and fairness creates a safe environment where capital can be deployed with peace of mind. It is this combination of strong rules, radical transparency, and rigorous enforcement that makes Boursa Kuwait one of the safest and most trusted markets in the region. Why are foreign investors so interested in Kuwait? The answer is simple: opportunity and stability. Boursa Kuwait offers a unique combination of both. As we've seen, the market is well regulated and secure, which ticks the first box for any serious international investor. But it also provides access to a wealthy and growing economy. Kuwait is a country with immense oil wealth, a stable government, and a strategic plan, New Kuwait 2035, to diversify its economy. This creates a fertile ground for corporate growth. Foreign investors see this potential. They see companies that are not only profitable today but are also positioned for significant growth in the years to come. This interest was supercharged by a major vote of confidence from the global investment community. In 2019, MSCI, a leading provider of global stock market indexes, upgraded Kuwait to its main emerging markets index. This was a game changer. Think of it as the market getting a 5-star review. This upgrade meant that large global investment funds which track this index were now required to invest billions of dollars into Kuwaiti stocks. It put Boursa Kuwait firmly on the map for a whole new class of global money managers. It was an official recognition that the market had met the highest international standards for accessibility, transparency, and efficiency. The numbers speak for themselves. In the first quarter of 2025, a stunning development confirmed this trend. Foreign investors poured an incredible $100 billion into the Kuwait Stock Exchange. This is not a small figure. It is a massive wave of capital and a powerful endorsement of the country's economic direction. This influx of money shows that the international community has immense faith in Kuwait's future. They are not just testing the waters, they are making a significant, long-term commitment. This investment boom is a direct result of the years of reforms and hard work to make the market more attractive and accessible to the outside world. Ultimately, foreign investors are drawn by the promise of attractive returns in a secure environment. The Kuwaiti market offers a compelling story. It has strong blue-chip companies, many of which pay reliable dividends, providing a steady stream of income for investors. The Kuwaiti dinar is a strong and stable currency, reducing the risk of foreign exchange losses. When you combine these factors, a growing economy, a globally recognized market, massive investment flows, and solid corporate fundamentals, the appeal becomes undeniable. Kuwait has successfully positioned itself not just as a regional financial hub, but as an essential destination for global capital seeking growth and security. The Kuwait Stock Exchange is far more than a stage for investors. It is a vital engine for Kuwait's national economy. Its most crucial role is to channel capital to where it is needed most. The exchange acts as a bridge, connecting businesses that need money to grow with individuals and institutions that have money to invest. This process, known as capital allocation, is essential for a dynamic economy. It allows successful companies to raise funds to expand their operations, hire more people, and develop new products and services. Without a healthy stock exchange, these companies would struggle to find the fuel they need for growth, and the entire economy would suffer as a result. The recent $100 billion investment boom is a perfect illustration of this engine in action. This massive injection of foreign capital does not just sit in trading accounts, it flows directly into the Kuwaiti economy. It provides companies with the resources to build new factories, upgrade their technology, and compete on a global scale. This in turn creates jobs and stimulates economic activity across various sectors, from construction to retail. The stock exchange, therefore, plays a pivotal role in helping Kuwait achieve its New Kuwait 2035 vision. It is the primary mechanism for funding the diversification away from oil and building a more sustainable and prosperous future for the nation. Beyond Kuwait's borders, a strong Boursa Kuwait enhances the entire region's economic standing. It acts as a benchmark for other Gulf markets, encouraging them to adopt similar standards of transparency and regulation. A thriving Kuwaiti market contributes to the overall stability and attractiveness of the Gulf Cooperation Council as an investment bloc. International investors often view the region as a whole. When one market, like Kuwait's, demonstrates such strength and maturity, it raises the profile of all its neighbors. It signals that the Middle East is a serious and sophisticated destination for global finance, capable of competing with established financial centers around the world. In the end, the importance of the Kuwait Stock Exchange cannot be overstated. It is a symbol of the nation's economic strength, a guardian of investor trust, and a critical tool for building the future. It provides the platform for national champions to rise, for citizens to build wealth, and for the country to attract the global capital needed to realize its ambitious goals. The recent flood of foreign investment is a clear verdict from the international community. Borsa Kuwait is a market that is trusted, respected, and poised for a bright future. It is and will continue to be absolutely central to the economic story of both Kuwait and the wider Middle East.